Okay, so the weather report today is cloudy and a chance of slime. Welcome, we're the Creeper Squad. Today we're going to be making slime. We're the brothers
And we're the sisters. And let's get to it.
First, add glue. And you can pick glitter or glow-in-the-dark too.
Oh. Well, right now I'm adding in the glue.
I know.
You already have slime.
Yeah, but he said I could have the rest when you were done.
Cute, Patrick. Then, like, if you have glitter, you put that in, and then you do contact solution. But after the contact solution, if you want, you can put in, like, beads and stuff, like add-ins. Hope this works, because I only made this 2 times, and they were failed.
They both failed.
Wow.
Last time you said you're a pro.
I didn't. I said I'm good at knowing how to make it. I've never actually made it. I know. I did.
All right, Kaylee, what's going on in your slime?
I can't get the glue out, but it's turning out very cool.
It looks really cool.
The glue is blue and
That's
glittery.
not working.
Oh, I think I put too much activator, but it's going out good.
This just came in. If you put too much activator in slime, it will not be slime. Scientists have proven if you accidentally put too much activator, you can put in more glue to even out the balance.
We
you just squirt it.
We squirt it. We just squirt it.
And just hand glue. Science. There's so much science involved in this. Science.
So you just keep it mixing with the activator, and then when you're done, you can put Gain or like any laundry soap. I did it way too much. I hope that works.
Yeah, because yours.
I did.
Mine is
I
blue.
think this is working. Yay! It's working.
Experiments with slime has proven that if you put laundry soap into it, it will make it thicker towards it's not too liquid.
Trying to add more glue.
No, wait, Mommy, you show all of it.
Shh. Trying to add more glue right now, so it's not
Kind of too
activated.
sticky. It's glittery, actually.
Not my slime.
Stop that! Please! If you don't know, Colton, he is my cousin's neighbor, and they're over
He's
there.
the youngest one, and sometimes he can be a tad bit annoying.
When
So
you mean a
right
tad,
now-
you mean a lot.
So when we're right in this house right now, we're my cousins. So they have 2 cats. Their names are Harry and Ash.
Well,
They're
Harry.
kittens.
Ooh, I'm getting a texture.
Yeah, I've got that texture. So y'all should try matching with those hands.
No, I'm doing it.
No, Roger. No.
No, fine, just one poke.
No. That's not one poke. That's like a whole lot. Handful.
Is it good?
Corny jokes.
If you eat corn, vegetables.
Look at this.
Don't put more activator. That's what's spinning it.
Had a corner.
No, it's not, Mom. That makes it thicker, which is good.
I'm pretty sure it's not because that's what you kept putting
Mom,
in
you don't
earlier
even
that
watch.
kept making
Mom,
it thinner.
you don't even watch slime videos.
Yeah.
You don't.
We
know
are
that.
professionals.
Yeah, we are.
Kids are professional.
We watch YouTube. That's how it
Yeah, we can do it so well that we can do it cross-eyed.
Get it? That's where it's not
You
like
gotta add the game and then mix it in and then add that. So this slime is better than it was earlier, and so is Kaylee's. But this one is way better than it was earlier because it was all around the bowl, sticky on.
Whose is that
his
one?
hands.
Rogers?
Yes.
No,
the boys.
mine.
Yep.
Yeah, and you kept on doubting me.
Can I put it?
Okay, so this was very fun. All the turned out well. They all glow well.
See, let's show them how
And
it sticks.
it it's very stretchy and gooey.
And really glow in the darky.
It makes nice popping sounds.
Darky's not
It's a good bubble.
Was it fun, kids?
It was super fun.
Yeah, because
Was this slime slimy?
yeah.